Hello and welcome to our Cybersecurity Awareness Series 16. Today, we're diving into a cyber attack from 2001 that almost brought the internet to its knees. This is the story of Code Red, a worm that exploited IIS web servers, infecting 350,000 systems with just a single HTTP GET request. Attack flow: buffer overflow exploit. The attacker discovered a buffer overflow vulnerability in IIS web servers by sending an excessively long request. The server could be tricked into running the attacker's code. Crafting the request: the attacker crafted a malicious HTTP GET request. The NNNN part caused the buffer overflow, allowing the attacker's hexadecimal code to execute. Executing malicious code: the malicious payload in the URL reset the return on the CPU stack, redirecting execution to the attacker's code. Infection: the crafted request was sent to vulnerable IIS servers, which got infected instantly. Worm behavior: the exploit included code to automatically scan and infect other systems, leading to rapid spread. Global impact: as the worm spread, 350,000 systems were infected. The uncontrollable scanning caused significant slowdowns and outages across the global internet. The impact post-Code Red. Turning point: Code Red demonstrated the immense potential of exploiting software bugs, paving the way for more sophisticated attacks. Patching philosophy: although the buffer overflow vulnerability was fixed a month before the attack, it highlighted the need to prompt security patching, leading to patch fast, patch often philosophy. Memory randomization: in 2001, predictable memory arrangements made exploit development easy. Windows introduced ASLR, address space layout randomization, to randomize memory addresses, complicating exploit development. Data execution prevention: Code Red executed code from the stack, which is meant to store data, not code. Windows later introduced DEP, data execution prevention, to prevent executable code from running in unintended areas. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more real-world cybersecurity insights.